Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select password and security and click on fingerprint. Tap on agree and now draw your unlock pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to provide it, as it will be a kind of backup to your fingerprint. And now it's time to unroll your fingerprint. Here you've got your fingerprint sensor, and all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And then click on done. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.